Hi traders, Nathan Bray here from ACY Securities. Now, let's have a quick chat about this elephant in the room. It's a ginormous elephant. People are talking about the fact that 3 banks have failed over the last 48 hours to 72 hours in the United States. And it's got stock markets moving, it's got currency markets moving. People are chatting, TV shows are talking about how it could be the greatest financial crisis since 2008-9 or even greater. But let's look at some serious facts here. Well over 500 US banks have failed since 2001. So in this case, we've got what is SVB's like the 16th largest bank in the United States. And we've got a Federal Reserve and therefore a government that is stepping in and are used to dealing with financial crises, and they've stepped in very quickly in this case. In fact, we've got Joe Biden coming out and saying, look, we're going to guarantee that deposit money. We've got the Federal Reserve stepping in. We have the FDIC now taking those failed banks under their wings. So we're in a situation where when I look at the markets, I'm not seeing a major trend reversal in this US dollar at this stage. So let's take a look at some key levels for this US dollar ahead of our CPI US data coming out later tonight. So first of all, this euro dollar, I'm looking at the fact that it's well poised. It's right up at daily, weekly resistance, up around 107.36. That's the level it's been hovering around over the last 24 hours, not really changing much, okay, while this so-called crisis was developing. So that's a level I'll be looking at. Having a look at the pound dollar, it's also right up at major weekly resistance at 122. If we look at the New Zealand Aussie, so there we're looking at 62.75 on the New Zealand dollar, up at major resistance, and also the Aussie up at around that 67 level. And you'll notice on the New Zealand Aussie, they literally went up, touched those levels, and started to fail. So I feel like all the cars are in the grid at the Formula One, the lights are going down, the US dollar is poised to continue to go stronger. Now, I could very well be wrong, but I'm looking at what opportunities can we see to trade short or in line with the strengthening US dollar. Now, as for your stock prices, well, we've been telling you over the last couple of months where you should be getting short anyway. So the fact that US stocks are going down would very much be in line with the fact that we've got stronger tightening going on, and that's affecting stocks. We've also got inflation sticking around tonight. So those levels I just pointed out. So tonight we've got the CPI data. The expectation on year is to see it pull back from 6.4% down to 6%. And if that occurs, if it does come out as forecast, I'm still saying to myself, hang on, inflation is still 3 times higher than the target level they're trying to get to. So to me, that still provides strength to this US dollars and lots of shorting opportunities up at the key levels on the major crosses. Well, that's all from me, folks, and good luck with your trading.